Welcome boys and girls to our YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon below. Come on, let's enter into the video.
Today's video we are going to see about best genuine earning website, Superpay.me. This is another website for beginners. This website also has many tasks, surveys for earning. Comparatively, it has more portals for surveys than Earnably.com. They have a huge number of surveys which gives higher payouts like $1, $2 per survey. Requirement: 1. Smartphone or computer. 2. Internet connection. 3. PayPal account. Note: more specific portals to participate. 1. CPX Research. 2. Dynata Daily Surveys. 3. Easy Surveys. 4. Tap Research. Pros: 1. We can participate in surveys in mobile or PC. 2. Minimum withdrawal is $1 in PayPal. 3. It also has payment methods like Skrill, PayPal. 3. We can earn around $5 to $10 a day. 4. We can earn 25% of your friend's income by referral. Cons: there is no bigger earning in a single day. This is just another legit site to begin. You will get 20 cents for sign up by using our referral link. Stay tuned for upcoming updates for making 6-digit income methods.
That's all for today's video. See you in the next video.
If you like this video, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon given below. Thank you for watching. Tamil Times is shining off. See you in the next video.